Hey there! Are you looking to learn 3D formulas in Excel by linking different worksheets? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. In this video, I am going to teach you a very easy method to link different worksheets using 3D formula in Microsoft Excel. So watch this video till the end to learn this great way to do the calculation across the worksheets by linking them in a Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 108 and we are learning the different methods to deal with large volume of data in Microsoft Excel. So larger Excel document don't just contain data on single worksheets, right? But perhaps can contain data across multiple worksheets in one Excel file. So I have opened in front of you the example file that comes with this course. It's called Excel 102 exercises file, and I'm currently looking at the summary worksheet. Okay, down the bottom you can see here it's a summary worksheet, and just to let you know, you can go and download this file from the description of session number 62 in my channel. So link of that video is shown up here at the top right corner. You can go ahead and download this file and practice the exercises. Alright, so this summary worksheet has got a simple little table with just two columns, right? A town and a circulation. Circulation currently being empty, right? So the data that I want to fill into the circulation column comes from the three sheets to the left of this worksheet: 2013, 2014 and 2015. Okay, so now the 2013 worksheet contains a very similar table: town, circulation, numbers. Same with 2014, same with 2015, right? All the same towns but different circulations for different years. So now what I want to do here is, with all of these data, I want to summarize it all into one spot right here on the summary tab. So I want to do the calculation. I want to summarize that. I want to sum those circulations from all these three tabs and bring those calculation here in the summary tab or the summary worksheet. Now, so going further, we are going to actually see this done with two methods. The first one, we are going to utilize a technique, a formula which we called here in Excel as a 3D formula. Essentially, we are going to create a formula that goes to other worksheets as well, right? So it looks into the other worksheets within the file. Okay, so typically when you think of summing up a group of numbers, you just think of creating a formula on one worksheet and referencing cells on that same worksheet, while here we are going to perform a mathematical operation just to do some addition, but we are going to reference cells in different worksheets. All right, so this is 3D reference or a 3D formula. Take a look. I'm into currently in a summary sheet. I'm going to go to cell B4. This is where I want to create the calculation. This is where I want to sum up the circulation numbers for the town of Beverly, right? So I'll go to B4 and I'm going to create a formula. So what do you start formulas with in particularly in Microsoft Excel? Equal to sign, right? So I'm gonna type in equals and I'm going to click on 2013 worksheet, and if you look up at the top of my formula bar, I can see equals 2013 and it's super excited. It's showing the exclamation mark, right? So I'm now referencing within my formula the sheet called 2013. Now what do I want to get from this sheet? Well, I want to get the circulation for Beverly town. So I'll go to B4. Okay, that's it. There it is. So I'm referencing worksheet 2013 cell B4. That's what you can see here at the formula bar as well. Now what do I want to do? What type of maths am I performing here? Well, I want to do some addition, so I'm going to hit the plus sign here, plus. Okay, now I need to get the next bit of data, so I need to go to 2014 worksheet and I'll get cell B4, which is a circulation from Beverly. So you can see here now it's referencing plus 2014 and cell number B4, right? And I need to do this one more time, so I will put the plus sign again. I'm going to go to worksheet number 2015, grab Beverly's circulation. Okay, so got my complete formula now, 2013, 2014 and 2015, all cells B4, B4 and B4, and I'm done now. So I'm going to hit my enter key and I'm back into my summary worksheet, and I have got my grand total for all the 3 years for the town of Beverly. And what is that? 3,245,998. A simple calculation, just branching across multiple worksheets. Let me show you again once for this Cherrydale town, right? So I'll just click here and go to cell number B5. I'll repeat it by and starting the formula with equal to sign, and then I'll just go and click 2013 B5, hit plus sign, go to 2014 B5, then again hit plus sign, go to 2015, hit B5. So now the formula is complete again, 2013 B5 plus 2014 B5 and 2015 B5. I'll just hit enter key. I'm back to my summary worksheet, and here you can see that for the Cherrydale town I have got my grand total for all the 3 years for the town of Cherrydale. Alright, so that's easy, that's cool, right? So try this out in your exercise file. You can download it from session number 62 description. I have provided the link there. So create a formula on the summary sheet, go to cell B4 or go to cell B5, go to cell B6, B7, B8, type in equal sign, and then it's just click, right? Click on 2013, grab the proper cell, hit your plus sign because you are doing some addition, right? Go to 2014, grab the proper cell and continue the process. So try continuing it for each of the towns here. Practice it a little bit just to get it comfortable. Build in formulas that span across multiple worksheets. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really like this video and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns on this video, then please let me know in the comment section of this video. I will try to reply you back with whatever queries you have. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life and take very good care of yourself.